Hello everyone, this is Sean from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Espresso machine with us in the shop. And pretty much what we did is we replaced a few parts inside of the machine, starting with your valve assembly. As you can see, it was just from age and usage. Without backflushing, it kind of just gathered a lot of mess. Also your pump, which is from the year 2016. Usually we would like to replace these every 5 years, depending on how the usage is. And also we replaced your gasket and cleaned up your shower screen. So yeah, and that's about it. We did not do a tune-up or descale this machine or anything like that on request of the customer. So we're going to put this in there, we're going to do a test shot, and we're going to test the hot water and steaming functions of the machine. We're going to do a double. I did not calibrate the espresso for this machine, so don't worry if it comes out too fast or too slow. We're just making sure water comes out through the front. We're making sure we get to that espresso range, hopefully. Seems like it's making good shots. Now we're going to test the hot water. As you can see, working well. And then we're going to test the steaming function. The water's going to come out for a few seconds, and then it's going to get hot enough to where steam comes out. As you see, steam is coming out perfectly fine. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.